Friends, look at this. Here type as PDF to JPG in Google search bar and press enter. On top, showing I Love PDF website. This website gives the best results in converting PDF into JPG format. Then click on Select PDF file. Then click on the Browse button. Select the PDF file that you want to convert to the JPG format and click on the Open button. Then select the Page to JPG option. And select the normal option for image quality as it's recommended. Then click on the Convert to JPG button. Then click on Download JPG Images button to download the converted JPG format file. Let's see. The converted JPG file downloaded successfully. Double-click on the JPG file to open. Here you can crop the Aadhaar card as its actual size. Close this file. Now select the JPG file and click on mouse right button and select Edit option in the pop-up list. Then click on the Select option. Here, select the area that you want. Then click on the Cut button, then scroll the page up, then click on the Paste button. Then, drag the extra covered space. Here, see the file size showing 96 kilobytes. If you want to increase the file size, click on the Resize option. Here, change the percentage from 100 to 110. Then click on the OK button. Then click on the Save button and check the file size at the bottom. The file size increased successfully. Then close the JPG file. Here also, we can see the file size. I hope you liked this video. Thank you for watching my video. If you like the video, subscribe to my channel.